everyone, my name is Hannah Major and I'm here with Triad New Home Guide, and we are at Arden's open house today at Meadowfield Terrace. I'm here with Eli and he's going to tell us all about this super fun, super special event today.
So yeah, I'm Eli Freeman. I am the representative for the Meadowfield Terrace community in Clemmons. It's a low maintenance community of townhomes. It's Arden's newest community. Our grand opening is today. We've got our coffee truck set up and we're also serving tacos throughout lunch. And so while everyone's hanging out and grabbing a snack, we're touring our homes for sale, and then we've got our model home that's all set up, which I'd love to show you guys around. So we can head over there if you guys want.
Absolutely.
So we're standing in the Addison plan, which is one of the two plans that we offer at Meadowfield Terrace. It's a standard 1,726 square feet home, a one level with an option to add a second story. There's plenty of features, and we are a semi-custom builder that we like to say. So there's a whole list of options that you can customize your own Addison plan. This particular model has got the full finished upstairs with a bedroom, a full bathroom, and then the finished bonus room. And then we have our primary bedroom on the main floor, as well as a study right off of the entrance. It's an open concept. As you can see, we have our dining area, the great room, and then it flows right here into the kitchen, which is our focal point. We've got our large island here. We've chosen to show a lot of the upgrade options that you can choose from in this model. So for example, we have our gourmet kitchen option, which is our built-in oven and built-in microwave, our gas insert with a vent hood as well. You have a beautiful wall of additional cabinetry and countertops. We have a pantry over here to our left next to the refrigerator. And yeah, I mean, we're really excited about it. It's super open, and that's pretty much the rundown of our model.
So if someone is interested in one of these beautiful homes, how many do you have available? What's the price point and how can they find you?
So we have 9 inventory homes, 4 of which that are move-in ready right now. Within the next 30 days throughout September, we'll have the other 5 that are gonna be move-in ready. They range from $394,900 up to $424,900, and we have a variety of 1 level, 2 level with the different configurations and colors and materials and whatnot. And you can find more information about them on our Facebook page, Arden Homes, or you can go to our website, ardenhomes.com, view all of our communities and specifically Meadowfield Terrace, which we're celebrating today.
Thank you so much, Eli.